Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to use a 32-carat software to create a method for capillary electrophoresis separation. A method combines a series of steps into a logical process. The steps in a method are executed automatically by the instrument. This section describes the basic steps in creating an instrument method for data analysis. First, let's double-click the 32-carat icon, then choose Performance tab. From this window, we click File, Method, New to create a new method. Let's take a look at initial conditions. For this part, this software gives us the option to collect any one or all instrument parameters, such as voltage, current, power, and pressure. Select the channels to record by clicking the appropriate boxes. For example, then we click our voltage. Temperatures. We can set the initial temperature of the cartridge coolant and the sample storage units. For inlet trees and outlet trees, the type of trees used when a method is run must be specified here. When the method is run, this information is compared to the tree types that are configured in the instrument. If there is a mismatch between the tree types, the method does not run. Then we click Apply. Then for second PDA detector initial conditions, the acquisition enable box must be selected for data to be collected and saved. The wavelength option allows selection of one of the filters installed in the filter view. The available selection are those set up during instruments configurations. Choose the channels that we want to use and enter the wavelength and bandwidth. For filters, this filter refers to an algorithm for filtering the collective data and does not refer to the wavelength filters. Data filtering is necessary to remove extraneous noise that might interfere with data analysis. Then click Apply. For time program, the time program window is arranged like a spreadsheet. An event is entered into each line. Events are executed in order from top to bottom. To program a line, click on the event boxes, then select the event to open the dialog box. Since the capillary has to be washed first before use, so we choose rinse event. Rinse event is used to clean the capillary and also to load fresh buffers. Pressure tab is for us to select the mechanism to be used to move fluid through the capillary. Then we have to specify the magnitude of pressure and duration. And also for the tree positions, we can select graphically by clicking on these three buttons. So for this one, rinse, we are using inlet for A1 here, outlet for A1 here. Then we click OK. Pressure direction, we have to specify whether pressure is applied to the inlet or the outlet end of the capillary. So once everything is chosen, we click OK. This step has to be repeated for another 2 times for rinse with different solutions and fill with buffers. After the capillary is well conditioned and filled with buffers, now we are ready to introduce analyte using the inject events. So same, we are using pressure, we have to key in the values for pressure and duration, pressure direction. Then since we are injecting our sample, so I have to choose a different tree position. This is our sample placing. Then we choose this one, OK, then click OK. Now we are ready to separate. Then we choose separate event. Separate event is actually used to control the conditions under which the separation processes take place. Each method must have at least one separation step. The step at time 0.00 is usually a separation. So we're choosing separation type voltage, key in the magnitude of voltage, duration, and time. Then polarity we have choose is normal polarity. Then C1 is our buffer solution, inlet, then outlet. Then this is indicating of time separation. Then click OK. To finish the separation, let's add another end event. End is actually an optional event. The method does not continue beyond the end event, and is always a timed event. And then we choose separation for about 30 minutes, then click OK. So this window shows all the program events we have added. We have 3 rinse, inject, separate, and end. So after editing, let's save the method. So we go to File, method save to save these new created methods.